Title: Religion and the Brain. Before language learned to name the stars, before science measured their distance, the human brain was already asking a question. Why? Why does lightning split the sky? Why does loss ache so deeply? Why do we feel watched, guided, held? Religion did not begin in books. It began in the brain. Inside the human mind lives a powerful pattern maker, a system that searches for meaning, detects intention, and weaves stories from chaos. The brain does not like randomness. It looks for order, especially in moments of fear, awe, and uncertainty. When early humans stood beneath vast skies or faced death for the first time, their brains did what brains do best. They connected the dots. And in those connections, gods were born. The brain's default mode network, the system active when we reflect, imagine, and contemplate, lights up during prayer and meditation. It is the same network used when we think about ourselves and others. Religion, at its core, activates the social brain. It turns the universe into something personal. Belief does something extraordinary to the nervous system. When people pray, chant, or sing together, stress hormones drop. The amygdala, the brain's fear center, softens its grip. Oxytocin, the chemical of trust and bonding, flows. Faith doesn't just live in thought. It lives in the body. That calm people feel in sacred spaces, that sense of peace during prayer, that's neurochemistry responding to rhythm, ritual, and meaning. Ritual tells the brain, you are safe now, and the brain listens. But religion does more than soothe. It shapes perception. Beliefs act like lenses, filtering reality before we ever consciously interpret it. Neuroscience shows that what we expect to be true influences what we see, hear, and remember. When the brain believes something deeply, it reorganizes itself around that belief. Miracles feel real because, to the brain experiencing them, they are real. Not as illusion, but as lived experience. The brain is also wired to detect agency, to assume intention behind events. A rustle in the bushes could be a predator. A storm could be a message. This tendency once kept us alive. Religion gave that instinct a narrative. Someone is watching. Someone cares. Someone is in control. For a brain evolved to survive in uncertainty, that idea is powerful. And then there is death. The brain struggles with endings. It resists the idea of non-existence. Religion offers continuity, souls, afterlives, rebirth. Neuroscientists find that these beliefs reduce death anxiety, calming the brain's alarm systems. Faith doesn't erase loss. It gives it a shape. But the brain is not passive. Religious beliefs can also harden neural pathways. Repetition strengthens circuits. Over time, beliefs become reflexes. This is why faith can inspire compassion or justify cruelty. The same brain that finds comfort in belief can defend it at all costs. Certainty feels good to the brain. Doubt requires energy. Religion is neither purely illusion nor purely truth. It is a conversation between biology and meaning, a dance between neurons and narratives. When monks meditate for decades, their brains physically change. When worshippers feel divine presence, their sensory regions activate. The experience is real, not because it proves the divine, but because the brain embodies belief. And maybe that's the point. Religion is not just about explaining the universe. It is about shaping the mind that experiences it. It teaches the brain how to hope, how to endure, how to belong. In the end, religion reveals something profound, not just about God, but about us. That the human brain is not satisfied with survival alone. It seeks meaning. It reaches beyond itself. And in that reaching, whether toward heaven, truth, or one another, the brain finds something sacred.